Welcome to WebStarBus. In this video, I will show you how to stop running background apps on Android. If we open an app on Android and then press central button at the bottom of screen, it gets minimized. But we can see that by pressing left side button and then we can close it by dragging it upwards. But it may be still running in the background depending on the app. So here are a few ways to stop background apps on Android properly. Go to Settings, Apps, select the app, tap Force Stop, press OK. But in this way the app may restart if it is designed to run on startup or if you restart your phone. So another approach to do this is to restrict background activity. To do that, same, open Settings, go to the apps, select the app, tap battery or app battery usage. Change the setting to restricted. You can also disable background data. To do that, go back and from the same app settings, select mobile data under usage. Toggle allow background data usage off. But these methods were for individual app, single selected app. To view all running apps and close multiple apps, you can use developer options. Now let's go to developer options. To do that, go to settings, scroll all the way down, select about phone, software information, tap build number 7 times to enable developer options. It will turn on developer mode. I have already turned it on, so now let's go back. After you do so, you will see developer options under settings. So go to developer options, tap running services. Now these are active apps or apps that are running in background. We can stop these apps selectively and directly from here. To stop any app, select the app and press stop button. And the app will be stopped. You can selectively stop apps directly from here, but don't restrict everything. Avoid restricting essential apps like messengers or email clients. Otherwise, you won't get important notifications from such apps. You might wonder, what is the benefit of all this? Stopping unnecessary apps can improve battery life, reduce data usage, and increase phone responsiveness. Okay, so this is how you can stop running background apps on Android. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.